without one crumb to spare. You may live in a mansion, all the world know your name, but at the foot of the cross, my friend, everyone stands the same. The ground is level at the foot of the cross. Anyone may come there, for there is no cross. Rich man or poor man, bondman or free, the ground was level that day at Calvary.